Hello and welcome to this course on CodeBlocks. This is a very wonderful course where we are going to be talking about how to use CodeBlocks as a developer. Whether you are writing C code or C++ or Fortran or D, this is the exact tutorial for you to learn how to use your editor with your IDE, integrated development environment, and we're going to talk about CodeBlocks. Generally, how to use CodeBlocks. So, let me give you the overview of what we're going to cover throughout this course of this lesson and some bonus class that we follow. So stay with me and you're going to enjoy this tutorial. Throughout the course of this class, we're going to take a look at CodeBlocks, how to use it majorly, how to install CodeBlocks on your system, working with projects. A lot of things you can do to our projects as a developer. We're going to talk about that. The C++ ribbons, the shortcuts we can use, doxy block in C++ and C. That's going to make your work to be faster, and some settings, how to change some default settings in CodeBlocks to make your editor to look cool and look nice. So stay with me in this tutorial, don't forget, and you're going to enjoy it. Thank you very much, and let's get straight into the class. See you.